So the conclusion of this event for me is that we gathered those people who are specialized in this field in medicine, and we try to find a good solution for this. And there is a new test which looks cost-benefit and quite safe and easy to use, and that would be a great help in managing these types of infections.
My overall conclusion from this event is that it is possible to use rapid tests to diagnose AMR and prescribe the best treatment for patients who have antimicrobial resistant bacteria. So this is the overall conclusions, that public health authorities, politicians, even politicians, should be supporting the use of rapid tests for detecting antimicrobial resistance, which is a huge medical health issue. I would mention here something we discussed at this workshop, that in Europe, possibly in the future, more people will die every year from antimicrobial resistance than now in COVID. Globally, this would mean that while so far 5 million people have died globally of COVID, in the future every year 10 million people will die globally because of antimicrobial resistance. This is why this workshop is very important.
Now we have a better view about what is the need of the clinician, and we have a better image of the use of this device in all over Europe, because we have clinicians from different countries, and each country have its own habits and its own pathway to use this device or to use this diagnostic for the AMR. It's important to have economic point of view about this device, because if economic view is not taken into account, you can have a very nice device, but this device will never be used by the end user because it's too, for example, it's too expensive. So the study about the cost effectiveness is also very important for this project. So I think this meeting was very useful to have these different kind of opinions.
We are in the second year of the European project called EMR Detect Tool. So the conclusion will be launched next year at the end of the project. But nowadays we already have enough data to say that the rapid diagnostic test or rapid detection of antimicrobial resistance, it's important from both points of view. From the clinical point of view, so applying a rapid and more adequate antimicrobial therapy based on the results that we are getting on this rapid test, and also probably economical impact, having a cost efficiency in implementing this rapid test.
So my conclusion in this event, I really liked having the different microbiologists of the different hospitals at the same place, because this allowed us to have the discussion between them on where would they implement the device, what is important, what benefits would it bring, and having different perspectives from different countries, as hospitals and laboratories are so different between each other. It really allowed us to really understand the implementation of the device in those different countries, and it will allow us to really be able to implement this device in different countries, knowing the differences between them.
This event here in Barcelona has shown that people coming from different countries can work efficiently together, even in very difficult moments with the COVID, for instance. And the results that were shown during this Congress are very optimistic and show that we are capable of developing tools that will be useful in clinical settings in the next years.